So let me quickly explain my motovlog setup. As you can see, I have this GoPro Hero 10 on the chin of the helmet, and I have my GoPro Hero 9 in my hand. Camera that I have in hand has this DJI mic on top of it, and it has this GoPro mic adapter, so I can use this wireless mic from DJI. And I have another mic in my backpack, so this mic that is in the backpack can record the exhaust sound, and then in the post-production I can just choose which sound that I like to have. So that's pretty easy, because sometimes when you're just cruising around, you only wanna have the sound of the exhaust, not the sound when I'm speaking. So then it's very easy. I can just disable the soundtrack of my of this mic and only have the mic that is on in the backpack. So that's pretty easy. And when riding like this, I just use the camera that I have in hand right now to put on this ram mount, and then I have the heavy setup on the handlebars, because it's quite heavy to have this this whole setup mounted on the chin, because it's the GoPro, it's the small rig cage, it's the DJI mic thing, it's the GoPro mic adapter, so that just gets a little bit too heavy. So then it's easy that I can just put this on the handlebars. Also, most of the time I'm running this little tank bag, and I have this 12-volt attachment here, and then I just have this little USB-C charger, and I can easily plug it into the GoPro that's on the handlebars, and I have no issues at all with battery life on my main GoPro. Only the GoPro that is on the helmet, I need to be aware of the battery life. I also have this GoPro remote, so with one touch of the button, both GoPros go on. So in post-production, it's really easy to just switch from one camera to the other camera. It's pretty easy. So yeah, that's nice. Currently in Spain, in the Pyrenees, cruising around. That's really nice. It's mid-February and there is nobody around. Really nice. It's only me and the birds.